The following is a public notice. The April 2nd deadline pausing the 25% tariffs on goods coming into the United States from Canada and Mexico is now virtually just hours away. This will have a dramatic effect on the automobile business. Prices on new vehicles will increase. Production of new automobiles will significantly decrease. And used vehicles from Canada will be virtually non-existent. The Sunset Auto family has a solution. If you act now, you'll find a huge inventory of new vehicles not yet affected by the impending tariffs. Over 2,000 brand new Chevrolets, Fords, Kias, and Mitsubishis in stock and available today with low financing rates, and you won't make your first payment until July. Plus, due to this market condition, your current vehicle is likely increasing in value, and no one will pay you more than Sunset. After April 2nd, what happens next is anyone's guess. But one thing is for sure, prices will not be going down. Visit any Sunset dealership in Sumner or Auburn, or go to sunsetautofamily.com today for more details. This message will be repeated.